Okay guys, another She's Gone cover ang dumaan na naman sa ating feed. So, hindi natin ito palagpasin since ito yung dumaan sa atin, I think, 3 beses na yata. So, or pangatlo pa to guys, sorry. So, what we're gonna do, let's get in. And I'm so excited kasi talagang nakaka-excite yung ginawa ni Kuya dito sa kanyang cover kasi may pasayaw-sayaw pa siya. So, kayo nang humusga sa kanya. So, what we're gonna do, let's get in. And sana masamahan nyo until the end of this my reaction video. And kung interesado ka sa mga ganitong klase ng content, ay bigyan mo naman ako ng isang like, share, subscribe sa ating channel para updated po kayo sa video every time na mag-upload ako ng ganitong klase ng video. So, tara guys, panoorin na natin. Oh, wow! Ilagay mo yung mic. Wow! Oh. Warm up. Yan. Warm up yung ginawa ni Kuya. Galing. Wow. Wow. Grabe. Ang linis, guys. Sarap pakinggan ng boses mo. So this is another viral. Talaga. Kaya nang humusta. Oh, wow! Galing. Ang angas na, no? Grabe. Oh, wow! Grabe yung effort niya, guys. Sobrang mapapawaw ka talaga sa kanyang galing.
She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss that girl, my love.
Again!
Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, girl.
Wow! Grabe.
Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me?
Grabe. I don't know if it's lip sync ba yun. But sa tingin ko naman, it is not lip sync kasi sa effort pa lang na ginawa niya. Ay parang talagang mapapawaw ka, no? May pasayaw-sayaw, pa-warm up. But anyway, if you want to watch the original of these videos, I put the link all below para mapuntahan niyo po. At kayo na po mismong humusga sa kanyang napakagaling at napakagandang boses. So, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.